In this video, I'll show you how to turn your personalized photos into Pixar-styled cartoons like this, watercolored cartoons like this, and anime-styled cartoons like this that all absolutely look amazing and are created in seconds using Neolemon. And this doesn't even scratch the surface of the tool because you can also edit actions as well. So now we see your cartoon running and we can also see your cartoon jumping in the air with two hands. So this is absolutely insane. And the cartoon is always consistent no matter what style that you use. So in this video, I'll show you how to upload a reference photo, add a prompt, and generate a character you can use across your entire project. So make sure you watch this full video to the end. Now, once you've logged in, you're going to be taken to the home page. And if it's your first time logging in, you're not going to have any of these cartoons here. These are previous cartoons that I have created. But you're going to see all these options here on the left-hand side. Now, in this video, we'll be focusing on turning your personalized photos into cartoons. So the option that we need to choose is here where it says photo to cartoon, and we just click that. And it's going to take us to this page where we can turn our photo into a cartoon. Now, to start off with, if you want to type in a name of your character, you can do by clicking here. Then you've got version 1 and you've got version 2, but I would choose cartoonize version 2 as this is the newest and the best version. And then here is where you'll get to upload your image. So all you need to do is just click on this and then upload your image, or you can just drag and drop it in. And this is the image that I've chosen. So next, what you need to do is describe your cartoon avatar, and Neolemon does have quite a few options if you do struggle with describing your image. So the first here it has is inspire me. Now this is going to generate a character description and actually help you come up with everything in detail. So you can choose that as an option if you really struggle. You can also actually use your voice to describe the character instead of typing. You can also translate your description to another language or from a different language. Then there's also AI Improve that will just actually enhance your description with AI powered suggestions and details. But one of the fantastic things about this tool is you don't really need to add so much detail. So you can just start off with a really simple prompt, such as create a cartoon avatar. Then next we can go on to the action and expression. So with this, I'm going to keep it simple again. So I'll just type in front facing, as we want our cartoon avatar to be front facing. And then for the background, I do want it to be the same as the image. You can go with a white background or any background that you choose. But in this instance, I'm going to go with a yellow background, similar to the reference image. So the other options here are aspect ratio. So that just allows you to choose the shape of your picture. 1:1 is just that kind of square image and always is perfect for things such as social media. You have a portrait image, which is the kind of tall one, 9:16, which actually usually goes well with mobile phones. Then you also have the landscape, which is wide, kind of 16:9. So this works quite well for presentations or something you might want to put on a TV. So you can see all the different options that it has here. And then you have numerous amount of styles, which is something I really love about this tool. So we've got the popular Pixar-inspired, you've got coloring book, you've got anime, you've got modern Western cartoon, you've got chibi, you've got action comic, minimalist vector, watercolor illustration, another one of my favorites, 2D flat illustrations, 3D cartoon, and claymation 3D also. But in this instance, what I'll choose to start off with is Pixar inspired. So you just click on that and then just click generate. And it does take a few seconds to generate the image. And you can see here the Pixar styled cartoon that it's been able to create. And I haven't even given it much information about the hair, the eye color, the shirt, but it does an absolutely amazing job of just creating that consistency. I really like how, for example, one of the buttons is undone and then the rest are done. You can see it's followed that style. It's got the pocket here as well. So it's done everything to a T here. Even the emotion that the cartoon is showing is very similar to the reference photo. So I think it's done an absolutely amazing job here. But let's try a few other different styles. So all we need to do is go down to the style again, and then we can choose another one, let's say anime, and then click generate. And you can see the image that is generated here. It got the matching hair color, eye color. We've got the blue shirt with the first button undone. We've got the pocket here. Everything is very consistent with the reference photo. It has all the lines and shadows that an anime style would use. If you ever forget your prompt, you can just scroll down and you can see everything there. You can also reuse your prompt also. But let's try a different style again. So we can just click on, we'll scroll down to watercolor illustration and then just click generate for our image. And you can see the watercolor illustration here. I really like all the soft edges. It almost looks kind of a dreamlike picture. And again, everything is really consistent in the image, from the hair color to the eye color to the top and the first button undone here. It's always consistent no matter what style you use, which is unlike any other AI tool that I have used. And then you can feel free to test all the other different styles available just to find something that you really like, as there's so many different fun styles to actually choose. So next, if you want to start adding actions, what I do recommend is you create a full body view of your cartoon character. So for this, what I'll do is I would then add the words and full body. And then what we can do is go down and scroll to pick a particular style. In this instance, we'll stick with Pixar-inspired. If you only have a reference photo of half the body, that's fine. This tool is still more than good enough to generate the full body. But if you do have a full body image of the photo that you want to use, then preferably use that. But then we're just going to click generate and see what it comes up with. So now we've created our full body Pixar styled cartoon character, which is great and has everything that we want. So the next stage to start edit the actions, what we want to do is actually scroll down, and we can use the action editor. So we can just go straight to it. Now, the other way to access this, let's say you've already created your character, is you can just go straight to the home page and then click Action Editor. Then it'll also actually take you straight there. And then you need to upload your image. But we've already got that here. And here just below is actually where we can type in to change the action. Now, the great thing about this tool is it's got so many quick examples here. So let's say I wanted a side view standing facing right, arms at the side. Then I can just click that and then scroll down to generate. And then you can see our image is being created there. So that's perfect. So side view standing is facing right, and then arms are at the side. And let's say we want to do a walking forward, arm swinging naturally. We can just click that and then generate. And we can see how another action here has been added, that our cartoon character is walking forward and the arms are swinging naturally. And let's just try jumping midair, both feet off the ground, arms raised. So all you need to do is click that and then generate. And there we go, it's created the image. You can see that it's jumping midair, both feet are off the ground and arms are raised. So again, it's done everything we wanted within the prompt. And between all of these images, the character consistency is always the same. It's wearing similar shoes, bottoms, top, the hair's the same. Everything is always the same, which you won't be able to find many other tools doing this. So make sure you actually go and test this out for yourself. Neolemon do offer a free trial, so you can go and do this for free and turn some of your fun personalized photos of yourself, your kids, grandkids, whoever, into cartoon characters.